Good morning, children. Welcome back to your English grammar classes. We begin with chapter 27, Words Easily Confused. So, what do you mean by words easily confused? That means the pronunciation of the words are same. Okay, the pronunciation is same, but the spellings are different. That's called words easily confused. That means when you hear, you feel it's something else, but when you see the spelling, you find that the meanings are different. The spellings and the meanings are different. The pronunciation is same. So just look over here. Open page number 162. In English, there are many words which sound quite similar but have a slight difference in spelling and pronunciation. It is easy to confuse or misuse them. See the example. I cannot accept injustice. Here, accept means what? To take something. You agree. I cannot accept. You don't agree injustice. And when I read the second sentence, that is the example, every player except Mohit was present for practice. Accept and accept. Somewhat the pronunciation when you hear, you find something similar. But there's a big difference. Accept and accept. Okay. So accept means which we don't include. Okay, like every player except Mohit was present for practice. Except Mohit, all were present for that practice. So, when you hear, you have to see the spelling and the pronunciation. That means the pronunciation is same, but the spellings and the meanings are different. Now, here are some more words that are often confused. See the example. Ascent. Ascent means to go up or rise, and the other ascent means you permit someone, permission you give. Okay, that blessings you what you give, or somebody's permission you take, they allow you. So that is the pronunciation ascent is same, but the spellings and the meanings are different. And examples along with the sentences are given, go through it. Second one is soul. When I say soul, you may not understand what spelling is this. Is it S-O-U-L or S-O-L-E? So there are two soul. When I say soul, the first soul, S-O-U-L, it means Atma. And the other soul is the feet, what we say, the sole of my shoes. जो चप्पल होती है उसके ऊपर एक लेयर होता है, उसको कहते हैं सोल. So I hope you are getting. See the meaning, the pronunciation is same whether you S-O-U-L or S-O-L-E, it's same, but the meaning and the spellings are different. See the next example, birth. Birth means there are two birth. One, the first birth is B-E-R-T-H. This birth means a seat or arrangement in the train and all. You have lower berth, upper berth. है ना? If you travel in train, you see there berth होती है. Lower berth, upper berth, middle berth. उसको कहते हैं. The other birth is coming into the world. The baby, after the birth of the baby, when the baby is born, it comes into the world. That birth. Okay. Next is born and born. The first born is coming into the world. The other born is carried. Airborne diseases. Airborne means जो हवा में जो diseases है वो airborne disease होती है. So that is born and born. Next is principal. Principal, see this is one of the common mistakes what students often make. What it is? When you write a letter to principal, many of you make this mistake. Principal, head of an education institution, who is our principal, Father Jobby. That principal is P-A-L. The other principal is a fundamental truth, the rules, a truth. Okay, so don't get confused. The principal announced a holiday after the annual day celebration. That is our school management, head of our institution. And principal the man of strong rules, a fundamental truth. Next, sale. Sale, S-A-L-E and S-A-I-L. The first sale is reduction of discount होती है, तब sale लगती है. Other sale is you float, travel by sea. Next, bail. Here bail, B-A-I-L and B-A-L-E. Bail means you release a person from the jail. Okay, that is bail. You get a agreement and you release a person. The other bail is a measurement, bundle of things, bales of cloth. जैसे हम कपड़े लेते हैं तो हम लोग कपड़ों का मेजरमेंट कितने बेल से लेते हैं, बेल्स ऑफ क्लॉथ, अ बेल ऑफ कॉटन. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज कैनवास. फर्स्ट कैनवास, इट इज जीन्स, वॉट अ मटीरियल यूज्ड फॉर टेंट, सेल्स एंड पेंटिंग, जो कपड़ों का होता है. द अदर कैनवास जिसमें डबल एस है, दैट इज you get support in favor of someone. Moving on to next, check. Check, see, even teachers check your notebooks, that is to check errors. The other check is in bank, what you deposit, isn't it? If you want to withdraw money, if you want to deposit money, you write a check that has been issued from the bank. So I hope you have understood. Next is due, that is expected, and the other due is small droplets of water. Again, a common mistake what you all make, dairy and diary. Here, see, the pronunciation is not same, but some spell it in the same way. See, it's dairy. Dairy means related to milk, where you get the milk products, and the other is diary. Diary means what? That a handbook what we have in school, that is diary. Moving on to next, council. Now what do you mean by council? CIL means set of people, and counsel means you give advice. We have counselors, no? Like if you have some problem, you have educational counselors, they give you counseling. Those are counsel. Then fair. Fair, F-A-I-R, means be just. Okay, you have to be honest. And the other fare means the charges of the ticket, जो cost होता है उसे कहते हैं fare. Next is gate. First gate is entrance of the facility, what you have, gate. The other gate is, it's a way of walking. Okay. Next one, hail. Hail, H-A-L-E and H-A-I-L. The first hail, it means that you are in good health. Okay. And the second hail is small balls of ice. Moving on to next, break. Break, the first break, B-R-E-A-K, it's a break. Okay. वो break क्या होता है, उसके भी अलग अलग है. One break means you have an intervals, that break. Other is to be damaged, कुछ खराब हो जाता है और उसको तोड़ना नहीं है. The other break is you stop the vehicle. If you're driving a car or any vehicle, you have a break in that. Okay, that has a two different meaning. Moving on to next, floor. One floor means the surface of the room where you are walking. The other floor, F-L-O-U-R, आटा. कुछ भी आटा हो सकता है, मैदे का, चावल का, any आटा, floor. Okay. Next is course. One course is direction or path. That means कुछ हम कोई दिशा में जाते हैं. Or it can be also a program of study. What course you are doing? I am doing so and so course. I am doing my so and so course in English, French and all. The other course is not smooth. Means the surface is not smooth. Moving on to next, tale. Now here tale, one tale, T-A-L-E, means a story. The other tale is जो कुछ एनिमल्स के पीछे उनकी जो पूंछ होती है उसको कहते हैं. स्टेशनरी. स्टेशनरी, वन स्टेशनरी इज द प्लेस, अ शॉप where you buy your writing material. We need to buy stationery for printing. That means कुछ भी चीज़ें लेनी हो, you go to stationery. What you find? If you want to buy wheat, pulses, grains, you go to grocery shop, isn't it? And if you want to buy your school things, belongings, you go to stationery shop. and the other stationery, only difference is that is N-E-R-Y, and the other stationery is the spelling is A. The only difference is of one word, E and A. That is not moving. You are still in one place. So I hope you all have understood words easily confused. So these all words you go through it, and exercise 1 and exercise 2. Both I am going to send the PDF along with this video. You can write it in your textbook. Exercise 1. Everything is there in the textbook itself. Okay, so you have to write the meanings, and as well as you can copy the same sentence if you want. If you are not getting the sentence, if you want to write the sentence on your own, you can write it. Otherwise, whatever is there in the textbook, you can write it on the same sentences. So exercise 1, I am not going to send the PDF. Why? Because it is there in the textbook. You have to write the meaning and you have to write the sentence. I am going to send exercise 2 PDF along with this video.